Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming power and that Windows has installed recent updates. You need a stable system. You should open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Touchpad. Make sure the toggle is on and sensitivity set. Next, try the manufacturer function key, often FN plus F key, to enable the touchpad and reboot to test. If still missing, reboot into BIOS or UEFI, check the internal pointing device or touchpad option, and note your laptop model for the driver step. Open Device Manager, enable View Show Hidden Devices, and expand mice and other pointing devices to look for missing or ghost touchpad entries. You should uninstall any grayed-out devices, then select Action Scan for hardware changes to prompt redetection. If Windows still fails, download the OEM Fanatics or Elan driver for your exact model and install it. Make sure to use the model page, not a generic driver. Once installed, reboot and verify the device appears. If the touchpad still doesn't appear after driver installs, use System Restore to a point before changes or Boot to Windows Recovery to run startup repair. This can undo problematic drivers. Make sure HID-related services are running because those enable device detection. If software fails, consider opening the panel to reseat the touchpad ribbon cable. Only do this if you're comfortable, otherwise contact repair. Finally, keep an external USB mouse handy while you troubleshoot, and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.